Hello everybody, Milorad here at my favorite Springfield Park in Rolette, Texas. And some of you watching my videos know that I love to go to the park to take some pictures after we have a rain. And today is day after 2 days of rain, and that's why I'm here. Weather is still overcast, but that's okay because I like this kind of light. I have my R6 Mark II camera with 100 to 500 millimeter lens plus 2x extender. And let's go to the park and see what we can find to photograph today. Familiar first pond in this park. Nothing on this field. Yeah, and definitely too late. Too many people probably scared all the birds. Yeah, I see some egrets, but they are very, very far from me. Completely on the other side of this big field. Now you can probably see in real life how far they are. Now when I'm in this field, I think I'm going to see those egrets that I saw. They were kind of far away. Now let me go and see up close. I see there's 4 of them. Okay, just a little bit closer. Need to come, then start taking pictures. Okay, let me try from here. I have very nice background with this tree. Let's see what 1000 millimeter reach can do. They are right there, 4 Ibises. I think it's called American White Ibis. Here they are. I took lots of pictures, but I need a little bit of video as well. I think they noticed me and they kind of don't know what to do. But I cannot come any closer because there's water all around me, as you can see. But they are still there, kind of picking something from this shallow water and grass. And it's very, very actually rare to see ibises here. I saw them once, maybe 2-3 years ago. There was the whole flock there. But now there's only 4 of them. And I think I saw once only one by itself. Yeah, this is what happened when you go after the rain. Good things happen. Let me zoom out and just to see how far actually they are. But my camera and telephoto lens and extender actually can take pretty close-up pictures, sometimes even too close. Okay, let's take some more pictures, maybe just to change position to get different angle. Okay. Bye, Ibises. See you next time. This is the closest I can zoom with iPhone camera. Bye, Ibises. Ah, they're flying directly to me. Okay, I was kind of wrapping up this video shoot, and then ibises start flying toward me and above me. I'm not sure. I was recording, but I'm not sure what kind of recording was that, because I have this sunshine in the screen that I cannot see anything anyway. My eyes are so bad. And let's see when we come home. I hope I have good shots or video about ibises flying towards me. Let's hope so. Okay, I think my ibis session is over. I took lots of pictures. I'm not sure how good they are. We'll see when we come home. But I'm very glad that I came out today. And let's see what we have when we come home and process these pictures. I hope I have some good stuff for today. I want to dedicate a video just for ibises, and hopefully I have enough good material to do so. Anyway, please stay for the gallery of today's photo shoot of ibises, and thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have 2 of them. Thank you very much again. Milorad, out.